In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the direct message not showing issue on TikTok. First, make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok. Using an older version can also cause this problem. After that, click on the profile icon. Here, you will see the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Click on it. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, click on Account. Here, select Account Information and make sure that your date of birth shows that you are 18 or older. If not, update it if possible. Users under 18 are not allowed to use the direct messaging feature. After that, go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Direct Messages. Then, click on Permission Settings and make sure all options are set to Requests. If you are still facing the issue, check the notification settings. Also, make sure that your account has not received any restrictions or violations from TikTok, as this may affect the direct messaging feature.